Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So I'd like to have a group discussion this morning about the idea that weekly dividends could actually increase our dividend yields. So a lot of you have said, like with compounding, that you believe that getting those payments weekly, that by reinvesting them, of course, it can cause the compounding effect to happen faster. So what I'm going to do, I'll go live in Discord, and if some of you want to join, by the end of this live stream or after I'm done covering my monologue portion, we can have a group discussion on Discord. So let me go live first. And as you all know, when I use StreamYard, um, it only picks up the sound of the window that I'm actually in. So I will go to Discord at the end. So what I want to start off with, I'm going to actually show another account that I don't actually show very often on here because I decided to go check ETrade today. So ETrade, um, they have not updated things yet either. So they have a different format. If you want to look at as far as a broker, um, ETrade, every broker has a different format. So ETrade shows on the income page, they show the fund symbol, they show payable date, they show the status, whether it's been estimated or actually announced. And then they show the frequency, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or in the case of a lot of the latest news, weekly, income type dividend. And then they show the dividend rate and the estimated income. So this portfolio is getting dividends from different sources. Like it's got some QYLD, it's got some FNF, some CLIP, it's got a REIT called SPG. This has a lot of SVOL, has some NVIDIA, UPRO, it's got JEPI, QQQY, and Coney. But what do you notice? No Tesla. So within the next half a month or so, that's what this portfolio can expect. And this can also expect about 3,000 or 2,800 a month in dividends, which is pretty good. So for September, you see it's lower because we've already gotten most of what we expect. So there's only this much left. But anyway, there's no update here as far as frequency. Oh, we do have Tesla too. We've got Tesla, we've got Beto, VTR, we've got QYLD, and then this is where they start to repeat Clip, S-Full, Marvel, good 5G company, Blackstone. So this is more of a mix of growth stocks and dividend payers. Let's see here. Welcome. Welcome. Let's see. Good morning. I have ETrade MS. I have never accessed that income page. We'll check it out. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys and gals, how different brokers show different stuff in a different way. But let me go back to the Schwab account because I also checked this morning. For some reason, I was up bright and early this morning, at least for me. Um, so I checked Schwab just to see if they've updated stuff yet, and so far, I have not seen. I have not seen anything updated. Excuse me. If I go to the income page, it's still, artificially low. That's where we were last year, this year. It's still got, about 5,000 per month, with August being our best month, of course. We're still missing some data. But see, for this, like I said, the layout is completely different. We've got, you have to go to the details to show frequency. Of course, Chipotle doesn't show um, because it doesn't pay a dividend. AT&T's quarterly. So see, you have to actually go to this detail page to see the frequency. Sorry, I have a cough today. So the point is, um, Schwab is obviously different. Every broker displays things in a different way. But again, the bulk of the dividends in this portfolio, so Tesla, so if we just take Tesla, for example, let's say that these dividends, so Tesla is not a weekly fund. It's in the A tier, I believe. Wouldn't rate it an A tier fund based on, how it's performed. But say it's getting exactly what it shows here on the display, $31,500 divided by the current market value, which is a 77% payout. So we take this, so monthly, this is about $2,600. If we times this back by 12 and then divide by 52, it would be $605 per week. But if you invest that and just assume like a 5% growth rate, and then you add another, you reinvest it, and then you're going to start snowballing at just say a 5% growth rate. The moral of the story is you're going to end up with higher dividends, because of the compounding, because you're getting the money. If you're just strictly an income investor, you're getting the money paid to you. Say you're reinvesting it. It's going to compound faster, actually. I had to think about it for a second because some people said it's going to compound, it won't work. It'll take away the compounding, like the NAV compounding. But really, if you're taking the income, you have the chance to compound it faster. They're actually putting it in your hands if you think about it. So, with that being said, I believe it can actually compound faster. But, let's have an open discussion. If anybody disagrees with me, definitely tell me in the comment section. Anyway, so let's continue here. Where's my window? Okay, so we've got Clip, Misty, and then we've got these, Jeppy, Feppy, XDTE, QDTE, QQQY. So there's 50,000 there in dividends. And what I want to do actually next, I want to discuss what Defiance did. So Defiance made the same declaration, I believe. Let's see, Defiance weekly distributions. Yeah, here we go. I like how you Google stuff and it literally comes up with other YouTubers stuff. Okay, let's see here. So Title controls a lot of this stuff. They're like the parent that controls a lot of these. So I have an article here that I'm going to pull up to reference. This is from Morningstar. Title Financial Group announces name changes and enhanced option strategies for Defiance ETFs. So here we go. So the Defiance Nasdaq 100 fund has been renamed to the Defiance Nasdaq 100 Enhanced Options and Zero Date to Expiration Income ETF. And then the S&P 500. So this is XDTE and QDTE. I'm sorry. Oh, that was dumb of me. I'm JEPI and QQQY. Still early for me. That's why I'm not a morning person. Anyway, so the S&P 500 Enhanced Income ETF is going to be WDTE now. What's going to be the ticker for the Nasdaq one? Oh, they didn't say it, did they? So the Russell 2000 one is going to be the Russell 2000 Enhanced Options and Zero Date to Expiration. So literally, these are all basically copying what Roundhill did. So like I told Dave this week that was on, I said, you've basically revolutionized the industry. These changes reflect each fund's adoption of options expiring on the same day. Additionally, each fund's principal investment strategy is revised to seek to provide weekly distributions. As a result, all references in this prospectus and SAI to monthly distributions are hereby changed to weekly distributions. Additionally, each fund will seek a minimum daily income of 0.15%, with all references in the prospectus to seeking a minimum daily income revised accordingly. The strategy descriptions within each fund's prospectus have been adjusted to clarify the use of same-day expiration options for enhanced investment opportunities. So very interesting. So there you go. Defiance has copied it. What's this question? With the Def 3? Oh, to the Defiance 3. Yeah. So, yeah, pretty much Defiance has copied the strategy. Anyway, so that's my idea on that. We're not getting a lot of group participation this morning. I take it like the coach. You all that follow me are not morning people either. Let's see. Maybe weekly will help them with the erosion. I hope so too. Um, I I hope that this proves to be the winning strategy, because if we can get all this stuff ironed out and nailed down, this could be a big space for years to come. I mean, if this all works out, if we turn in theory to in reality, um, we could all make a lot of money. Let's see here. I heard someone not wanting to invest in QDT due to lower yield. The person failed to see, yes, QDT has lost 450 in NAV, yet paid $8 in dividends. And I have that spreadsheet actually. So what frustrates me about some of us is that we are spoiled by these high yields. If you go back a couple years ago to like the days of um, QYLD was paying like 15%, and same with like JEPQ and JEPI, but at like 10 or 12%. We thought that was a good yield 2 years ago. Now we're mad if something's only 30%. So we're spoiled. We need to really put things in perspective here. But to your point, I actually track with what you're saying. I track in the spreadsheet pretty much every week over here. Let's see. So to your point, this is exactly what I track every day. So you teed this up for me perfectly. So thank you for that. So XDTE has paid 621 in dividends, and it's only lost $1.84. That's phenomenal. So you're way ahead in this one, and it's a net realized payout so far. What we've actually realized for the year is 11%. And then if we go here, it's 810, just exactly what you said. It's 811, and we've lost 505 as of this week. So perfect point, and that's exactly what I track in the spreadsheet here. So thank you for pointing that out for me. Okay, where are we? Did I lose my window? Okay, let me try to go back to the main screen here, which is going to mean I need to close some tabs here. Okay, so with all of that being said, I'm going to end the video there. I've actually lost my tab. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you all in the next one. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, I lost the window. Hold on. Not sure. Shoot. There we go. All right. See you all.